This is your weather video for this Sunday, November 21st. I'm meteorologist Bill Murray, and it is Thanksgiving week. I know you're looking forward to Thursday just like I am. And all of this holiday week, lots of folks already traveling, and they're going to be traveling over the next several days. Some of the busiest travel holiday days that we've seen in quite some time. Upper air pattern across North America on this Sunday morning, showing high pressure fairly well in charge across much of the country. Fairly quiet across all the United States. Just some frost advisories, red flag warnings out west. Some wind issues around the Great Lakes, around the coasts of the Gulf Coast and the Atlantic. Even a coastal flood advisory for the Mississippi Gulf Coast, thanks to the onshore wind on in that area. But otherwise, we've got a trough diving into the upper Midwest today, and that's going to be a player in our weather. A cold front this morning extends from near St. Louis down to Fayetteville, Arkansas. It's going to push through Alabama tonight. Now, this is what the upper pattern changes to by tomorrow. You see a rapid change. High pressure grows in amplitude over the western United States, large trough over the eastern half of the country, and that means colder and drier air for much of the eastern part of the country. But after that, high pressure builds in for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and even parts of Thursday, giving us a fairly nice weather. You see our next system taking shape out west. This is Friday, showing a large upper system moving through the Great Lakes, that second cold front moving through Alabama. This is tonight off of the GFS. We'll go through today with just increasing clouds, some rain possible by late afternoon over northwestern Alabama. That area of rain, maybe a few pockets of thunder, will slide southeastward through the overnight hours, reaching the I-20 59 corridor around 9-10 o'clock tonight. You probably get 4 to 5 hours of rain, maybe a quarter to 1/2 inch. Some of the spots in northwest Alabama might see as much as an inch. But the system is pretty much on out of here by Monday. Rain ending before sunrise in the I-20 59 corridor. Clearing skies, breezy through the day. Afternoon highs tomorrow only around 52 after wonderful daytime highs today around 66. Hard freeze Monday night. Well, not a hard freeze. Let's say a widespread freeze. The average overnight low Tuesday morning around 28. Tuesday going to be a beautiful day. Lots of sunshine. A bit chilly though, 53 the daytime high, light northerly wind. As we move toward Wednesday, mostly sunny and cool. Temperatures edge up about 5 to 6 degrees. We'll top out in the upper 50s to near 60, but it'll be mostly sunny and cool, clouds increasing late in the day. Here comes our next system. This is Thursday night around 9 o'clock, showing that front pushing an area of rain, maybe some thunder into northwest Alabama. Even though we've gotten through much of Thanksgiving Day dry, looks like Thanksgiving night will feature some showers. Will be in the 40s Thanksgiving night. After daytime highs in the middle 60s. Now, the front moves on through slowly. This is well, going back to Friday, well, I guess really we'd think about the system kind of just meandering through the area. And then we'll go out in time to the end of the forecast period. This is noon on Saturday the 4th, showing fairly widespread rain across Alabama, maybe some thunder. With that system, we'll be keeping an eye on it to see if it has any potential for severe weather. This is temperatures off the national blend of models, showing our warmest day over the next 2 weeks actually coming today. Back in the 50s, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, briefly touched the 60s on Thursday, and then a slow climb back toward the lower 60s toward the end of the period. This is GFS Ensemble showing the control predicting just about 8/10 of an inch of rain. The mean, though, is higher than that, so somewhere between 1 1/4, 1.5 inches of rain. We'll see how that goes. Check out the Weather Brains podcast tomorrow night. We had a great show this past week talking about religion and severe weather. And some interesting information out of that with Dr. Peter Tucson, a theological historian. And this week we're going to be talking about signs of the weather with the British author Tristan Gooley. The Weather Brains Brady Bunch podcast is available on iTunes, Stitcher, and all those normal places where you consume your podcast. You can also tune in live over the air on the Dot 2 channel and on some of the local cable systems as well. Weather Brain's recorded at 7 o'clock Monday evenings, and the show's been running for 16 years. We've enjoyed doing every one of those shows, just as I've enjoyed doing this video for you this morning. We'll have notes on the blog, a complete update on the forecast coming up at noon, along with an Alabama weather update. Check that out. Hope you have a great holiday week with friends and family. And until I get to do this with you next Sunday after the Iron Bowl, which we didn't mention the forecast there, looking pretty good right now for the Alabama-Auburn game on Saturday. As I always tell you, keep an eye to the sky because you'll always have something fun to look at.